I know it's been a good bit, but I am trying something new for this channel today. I play lots of Airsoft, and I'm gonna try my best to switch over to that part of Airsoft, or at least the community of YouTube, and basically base my channel around that. All the old content is going to stay, but I wanted to clarify these things before I got right ahead into the video. By the way, all my gear is going to be in the description, so if you want to take a look at that, go right down below and check it out. But no more speaking from me, let's just get right into the video, and here it is. By the way, I just want to say this is not what my voice actually sounds like. I am kind of sick. Not really. My voice has just been going through a lot lately, so just don't mind it if it sounds kind of fake or kind of forced. It isn't. I just been going through stuff, so yeah, I just wanted to clarify that as well.
Hey guys, you ready?
Hey, back here. Bang, bang.
I got you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Do you not feel it? Oh, okay. We could take the GoPro hit.
Alright. Oh, that almost hit me. You gotta play like a speed soccer, dude, like this.
I think we all go on the left side. And it's... Yeah, everyone... Right side.
You want to try Russian chicken?
Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Hey, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Well, that wraps up this video, and I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I tried my best out there on the field. I mean, I do say I played pretty well. I mean, judging from how much Airsoft experience I do have. But yeah, that seems about it. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you did watch it to the end, leave a like and subscribe if you like. It doesn't hurt. So, but yeah, thank you very much, and have a good day. God bless.